First line. A foggy morning is calm and quiet. Second line. Thick fog covers the roads, trees, and houses. Third line. Everything looks white and blurry in the fog. Fourth line. The sun rises slowly and tries to break through the mist. Fifth line. People walk carefully because visibility is low. Sixth line. Vehicles move slowly to avoid accidents. Seventh line. Birds chirp softly in the cold air. Eighth line. Dewdrops shine on grass and leaves. Ninth line. A foggy morning feels fresh and peaceful. 10th line. It makes nature look beautiful and mysterious.